Hello and welcome to my how to install and use ScreenCast-O-Matic screen recorder and upload it to YouTube. I'm here with my mom. Say hello, Mom.
Hello.
And I'm going to train her on how to use this. So go ahead and hit with the mouse, launch recorder. Good. Now we're just going to wait a bit here. Now on the bottom left, go ahead and hit the web launcher. Yep, there you go. We're just going to wait for this to download. Might take a while. Do you have any questions?
Not yet.
Okay, awesome. Have you ever used a screen recording software before?
No, I have not.
So this is pretty exciting.
Very.
I figured. Alright, we're still waiting for it to download here. Now we're in the setup stage. Yeah, when you're downloading ScreenCast-O-Matic, it's going to take a while because it's a pretty robust software. But now that ScreenCast-O-Matic has been downloaded, we're going to go ahead and put the microphone on you. There we go. Go ahead and put that over. Now speak into the microphone real quick.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Say it something again.
Testing.
There you go. As you can see, this little bar at the end here shows that it is picking up audio, which is good, and that's what we want. Now go ahead and you can move the screen to capture whatever you want by using the resize handles down here. So go ahead and try that. Go ahead and make it bigger.
Bigger?
Yep. And then release.
Okay.
And in the bottom left, go ahead and hit the record button.
Where am I looking? Right here?
Right down there. Yeah. Hit record. All right, and 3, 2, 1, it will start recording.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Yep. Just keep talking into it.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Okay, in the bottom left, hit the pause button. Great. And now that you have recorded what you want, go ahead and hit done at the bottom left. There you go. And go ahead and hit play to see what you've captured so far. Yep, there you go. Is it working? All right, good. Go ahead and pause that. Okay, so now that we have verified that we got the recording that we wanted, we're going to go ahead and upload it to YouTube. So go ahead and click in the bottom right, hit upload to YouTube. And in this case, we already have our YouTube account set up. If you don't have it set up, you can either create one or pick a Google account that you want to upload it to. And from here, you can change the title. So go ahead and go up to it says recording one and click on that. Underneath the account.
Title?
Yep, go ahead and click on it. And you can edit the title to whatever you want on YouTube. So go ahead and...
Testing?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead and click off of that.
Okay.
Good. And hit publish. And that's it. When it's complete, you can go onto your YouTube channel and watch your videos. And that's how you use ScreenCast-O-Matic Pro. Thank you all for watching.